We're back again.
We are indeed. So, we've got this question, it's question 5.
It's question 5 from January 2008 again. This one isn't quite as large as question 4.
It's not indeed. It starts with factorise 9 minus 8x minus x squared. First step. I don't like negative x squareds.
I don't like me.
Take the lot over the other side, make it equal to 0. Positive x squareds all the way.
Alright, so this equals 0, just move them all over.
Yep. So you've got x squared plus 8x minus 9 equals 0. Now, factorising it, I'm going to have to think about this for a second. Please, excuse me.
Yeah, anyway.
Minus 1 plus 9.
Yeah, good. That's also I got.
So you've got x minus 1 and x plus 9. When you expand it will become x squared plus 8x minus 9. We have a factorising video. Please check it out if you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So, I dropped my pen.
Don't need that, that's fine.
So,
that's that factorised.
we'll factorise it, that's all you need to do at this stage.
So,
straight on to B.
part B.
Show that 25 minus x plus 4 squared is equal to this. Now, this is factorising it, but completing the square does sort of put it in a bracket. It's just a different method. And this looks like it's been completed to the square to me.
I think it might have been completed to the square as well, Wayne. So I think we should uncomplete the square.
We could, or we could complete the square here and show our steps.
Either works.
We'll go with this one, we'll expand this one out. 25 minus x squared plus 8x plus 16.
Yeah.
It does equal that, we're done, sorted. But we'll probably write it down.
I'll write it down as well. So 25, I'll go straight to what Wayne did in his head, which you'll be able to do by the time of the exam, because you'll do this a million times, I hope. X squared.
It's expanding out this bracket.
It is.
Plus 8x plus 16.
So only constants are here, so you end up with minus 9.
Squared plus 8x minus 9.
Yeah. So they're the same thing.
Yep, you can take it all over to the other side to show the final step if you wanted to. See part 1, write the line of symmetry.
So the line of symmetry, this is a quadratic. And line of symmetry is the point in the middle, it's vertex. They are symmetrical on either side. You need to point out what that point is.
Yep. And it's going to be an x coordinate because it's just the one. You have x equals something.
And that's what completing the squares for. Really.
Yes, for finding that in the vertex. So opposite of that is going to be the point on the bottom of this curve, or on the top of the curve if it's negative, which it may well be.
May well be. So there is x equals minus 4, and that will be the point of symmetry.
Yep. And that's it. You just need to say x equals minus 4. You don't need a y coordinate.
You don't?
Apart from, we now go on to part 2, which says the vertex coordinates.
So now you need the other half.
Yeah, so the x coordinate is going to be minus 4. The y coordinate is going to be the part outside the bracket, the 25. So when you put them together, it becomes the vertex of a curve.
This is really just testing that you know what your words mean.
And part 3 is sketch.
Which I haven't really left enough room for, but now I need to sketch it.
Yep.
So it'll want a sad face, because the original thing is a minus x squared.
Yes. Do we have enough information to draw it? Well, we know it's vertex.
We do know it's vertex, and we also know where it hits the y-axis.
We do. What point is that, Triv?
That is 9, Wayne.
Indeed, 9. So that's about here, considering this point up here is, I'm going to write it in, minus 4, 25, that's its vertex.
That's your vertex, your point at the top of what Wayne's drawing.
As Triv said.
And it will go down and it will hit the 2 points, minus 1 and plus 9.
So plus 9 is going to be...
But it will be minus the version of that, so will it be 1 and minus 9?
Oh yes, sorry, it will, otherwise it wouldn't make any sense, because this is minus 4, and it's going this way, it wouldn't make any sense for this to be minus 1. Minus 9, and this is...
So that's essentially minus another bracket of all of that, because we've converted it.
Yep, and there you go.
That's that sketched, and that's the question.
Done. See you at the next one.